Hey, it's Bella. I've been promising you some video updates, so I'm going to give you a quick tour of one half of the studio. This is one of the entrances. Brings you into the wardrobe room. Still working on the shoe wall. That will continue all the way down. I did this whole floor. So we've got plenty to wear. Wall to wall, hats, wigs, purses, all kinds of fun stuff. We got the makeup room. Loving this room. A couple different stations, so we can have a few girls here working and sitting and chatting at the same time. Goes through to the bedroom, which is still under progress. Got some shears for the window. We need some wall hangings, a new shade. And over here, just finished this room yesterday. This will be a gallery, place to hang out. Brings you back again to the wardrobe room. Be ordering some photos for this wall. Thanks for looking. Thanks for supporting me. I look forward to showing you more as I have it.